What's up, beautiful people? Brian the Bootmaker here, and today we're going to do an unboxing video. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, and also don't forget to pick up your Road Club t-shirt on the Road Club website. Alright, let's get to it. Alright, so we got a box right here. This box came from North Carolina. Let's see what we got here. We got a pair of Alden Indie boots. So we have a pair of Alden Indie boots. And what are we doing to these? With this pair, we're going to put a Vibram Christie Sole Black. It's going to be a nice combo. Alright, let's do the next one. Oh, we got a big boy right here. We got a box all the way from Virginia. Oh, there's two boots. We have a pair of the one and only Red Wing Iron Rangers. We're going to do a half sewn heel classic. What else we got here? Oh, a pair of mock toe fry boots. We're also going to do Road Club half soles and heels on this pair as well. Looking forward to it. Alright, what else we got? Oh, I'm going to put this note back. Next box is coming from Colorado. You guys guessed it. Another pair of Iron Rangers. My favorite. Let me see, we're going to do the classic. The classic RC half soles and heels. Stormwell Natural Edge. Oh, this is going to be a cool one. I think Iron Rangers and Road Club half soles go hand in hand. This box is coming from Wisconsin. I always appreciate people sending me work. Appreciate the support. Sometimes I wake up in the morning and I'm like, wow, people actually like send boots to me. And I appreciate that because it's a blessing. It's a blessing, man. We got a pair of Chippewas. Oh, this is pretty cool. It's gonna be a black cork Black cord RC half soles, Woodsman heel. Oh, we're gonna cut them down to 6 inches. This is gonna be a fun build too. A lacer toe, Oxford style. Nice. This one's gonna look good. Fun project. What else we got here? It must be Christmas. Just playing. It's almost Christmas though. We're in October, November, December. Woo. Almost the end of the year. Every year I always think about like, man, hopefully I have work for next year. And then magically, it always happens. Thank God. Oh, another classic. So usually top resoles I do, Iron Rangers. Second, Wolverines. What we got here? Oh, we're gonna do some RC half soles and heels, double stitched. I enjoy resoling like old boots like this because it's all aged, and then once you put a new sole, it just looks so aesthetically pleasing in my opinion. Because usually Wolverines come with a thin leather sole, they wear out pretty quick, but once you put the RC half soles and heel, low block heel, and I create like a certain profile, a nicer shape, they turn out to look pretty cool, you know. This is gonna be a fun build too. I always enjoy resoling these boots. Alright. What else do we got? Hopefully you guys enjoy all these videos. And I did a recent pickup truck video about my 57 Chevy. I got a lot of good feedback, and I appreciate all the support and how you guys are giving me opinions on how to build the truck. And yeah, it's really cool because I can see so many people's perspectives, and some people are like, oh, you should use the old parts and go to the junkyard and find parts. And that's very like my brother's method when it comes to building, because he likes to go to like the junkyard and find parts, and that's kind of the excitement of the process. So I might look at that route as well. So stay tuned to those videos of my 1957 Chevy restoration, because it's going to literally be my shop truck. So I'm pretty excited, driving every morning in my pickup. Yeah. Alright, next box is from North Carolina. Shout out North Carolina. Y'all got 2 on the board. I wonder what state has the most Road Club support. North Carolina. Alright, what we got here? Oh, we got a pair of Wesco engineer boots. And we're gonna go with relast. Oh, it's gonna look pretty cool. So what we're gonna do is relast these boots to RC 1940 last, give it an interesting different profile and different toe shape, and it's gonna be structured so it'll still be solid. RC hand welt standard. I'll go with the Woodsman heel, medium brown edge, classic. Good choice. It's gonna be a cool project. So this is stitch down construction at the moment, you guys could see. So that means the outer part of the upper is folded not inwards but outwards, and it goes double stitched. It's very good for waterproof and solid for a work boot, but in my opinion I prefer the hand welted. It's more clean and aesthetically pleasing, and also when you want to resole, it's much cleaner when you can replace the entire welt instead of trying to stitch on these same holes again. So it's gonna be a cool project. Alrighty, let's go to the next one. Alright, next right up, this is a pair of boots coming all the way from Texas. You know, it's funny, it's not even a pair of boots. It's actually the thread I use for my sewing machine. So shout outs to Dallas, Texas. That's where I get my threads. So I usually a stitcher machine, you see I always use every time I stitch the outsoles. This is the thread I use. It's very durable. It's 5554 polybond thread. Tough thread to go through, and it takes a long time for it to wear out. And it's very durable. And even though people step on their soles and walk and the thread starts I guess wearing out, the thread is so thick that it's almost like little pegs all over the entire sole. So it's the thread I use, very durable thread. So that's it. That was my unboxing video. Hopefully you guys like this type of video. I did it once before and it got a pretty good response. And I appreciate all you guys supporting my work, all those comments. I try to read them all and try to reply. Appreciate the support. Don't forget to click the thumbs up, comment down below any questions, and always click the subscribe button if you guys want to keep on watching. I appreciate the 75,000 subscribers I have and counting. Let's hit that 100K by the end of the year. Let's do it. Alright, peace out, y'all.